Alright, we out here at the B.R.A.T.S annual cookout. See all the clubs out here. Clubs out here from New York. All the Jersey clubs. I'll show you the bikes that's out here today. Got a lot of Americans out here. Got Harleys, got Victories. Got some Suzukis. Got some Can-Ams. Got some Indians. Some sports bikes.
I'm getting ideas on how to change my bike.
Okay.
From everybody.
That's what's
hers
up.
is nice.
Yeah.
This one right here. I want to do my Harley print.
Okay.